Section 3.1 involves solving triangles, so finding all the missing parts of an oblique triangle. So whenever you use SOHCAHTOA, sine, cosine, and tangent, it always had to be a right triangle, but now we're dealing with ones that are not right triangles. And when that happens, you have to either use the law of sines or the law of cosines. So today, we're going to start with the law of sines. And you can label your triangle however you want. But remember, if this is big angle A, this has to be little side A. If this is big angle B, this is little side B. And if this is big angle C, this is little side C. So the side opposite is labeled the same as the angle. So law of sines says this, and this is ACT. You could see law of sines or law of cosines on there, but usually they give you the formula. So it would be side A over sine of angle A equals side B over sine of angle B equals side C over sine of angle C. Sometimes the angle parts are on the top and the sides are on the bottom, but because it's a ratio, it doesn't matter. So let's do an example of this. I'm going to get a triangle here, and this is an oblique triangle, so it's not right. I'm going to label it A, B, and C. And this time I'm going to know angle B is 28.7 degrees. I'm going to know angle C is 102.3 degrees. And I'm going to know side B is 27.4. Now, in order to use law of sines, you have to have one set where you know the angle and the side opposite. If you don't have that, you'll have to use law of cosines. So law of sines, you always have to have an angle and a side opposite. So in this case, I'm going to say side B over sine of angle B equals, and I'm going to find side C over sine of angle C. So from here then, we just have a calculator problem. I'm going to do this times this equals this times this. So really we're doing this times this divided by that. So I want to make sure my calculator is in degrees before I solve this, because they will always be in degrees. So I'm going to have mode, mine's in degrees, so I'm good. I'm going to hit clear. So I'm going to cross multiply 27.4 times sine of 102.3. Then I'm going to hit parenthesis equals, and then I'm going to divide by sine of 28.7. So side C is approximately 55.747, so I'm going to put 55.75. So there's one part. Let me see if that makes sense. Would it make sense if this is 28.7, that could be 27.4. This is way bigger, that side's way bigger, so that answer makes sense. So now I need both of these. I can find angle A because I know that these three should add up to 180. So angle A is 180 minus 28.7 minus 102.3, and you get 49 degrees. So now that I know this angle, I want to find this side. I'm going to go back and use the things that were given to me. So I'm always going to use this side. So my next equation is going to be 27.4 divided by sine 28.7 equals, and this time I'm trying to find side A over sine of angle A, which is 49. So I'm going to do 27.4 times sine of 49, and then divide by sine 28.7. And I get that side A is 43.06. That makes sense that this one would be in between the other two because that angle is between the other two.